They all represent a comprehensive overview of contemporary for the highest maneuvers, but things may change. Let's see what's happening. September 1999, and in 2007 it won the joint cargo aircraft JCA competition, securing contracts in the highly competitive American market. In Italy, the C-27J Spartan serves with the 46th Air Brigade in Pisa. It flies worldwide in the United States Air Force and Coast Guard, in the Royal Australian Air Force, and Leonardo continues to receive orders from air forces around the world, including Greece, Bulgaria, Lithuania, Mexico, Morocco, Romania, Chad, Belarus, Slovakia, Kenya, Zambia, and Turkmenistan. It has recently attracted significant interest in the Arab world too. A broad, sweeping turn fully displays its wingspan over 28 meters. After hearing straight from the Spartan's mouth, let's move on to a grand classic of Italian aerobatic tradition, possibilities. At the center of the display line, the old Schneider turn. Global Aviation. Now, prepare to be amazed as the Spartan performs a glorious loop. Buff to see this looping and come away dry-eyed. The last demo pilot to perform the full C-27J looping was Marco Fagiani, who is now the group commander, standing on the ground at the center of the display line, and all the Italian displays are under his technical direction today. All aviation following suit. From your left hand, Tonno again.